Welcome to this investor's dream, a charming traditional colonial set on 7+ spacious acres in Gray Court, South Carolina. This two-story home offers incredible potential for anyone looking to create a comfortable family residence, vacation retreat, or rental opportunity. Step inside to the main level, where you'll find a generous living area, an office, and an updated kitchen perfect for everyday cooking or entertaining guests. The dining room features French doors that open onto a large covered deck, ideal for morning coffee, weekend barbecues, or simply enjoying the scenic surroundings of your private acreage. Upstairs, the home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, along with a dedicated laundry room and a sitting area that could easily be converted into a small 4th bedroom, adding flexibility for families or guests. The layout is both practical and inviting, allowing for easy flow and comfortable living throughout the space. Sitting on over 7 acres, this property provides plenty of room for outdoor activities, gardening, or expansion. The peaceful setting ensures privacy while still being conveniently located near local amenities and the charm of Gray Court. Important to note, the home is being sold as is, offering buyers the chance to invest, renovate, or customize according to their vision. With its classic colonial design, ample acreage, and potential for growth, this property is a rare opportunity in the western upstate of South Carolina.